Students, today's topic is about types of host. Already you know about the parasitism and parasite and the host. Okay, parasitism, it is the animal association between two animals. These are came from the different species. In this type of the association, animal association, animal relationship, one is benefit, one animal is benefited, that is called parasite. Another one is losses, another one is affected, that is called host. Okay, and there are many types of the host. Okay students, types of host, there are two types of the host. First one is primary host, second one is secondary host. What about the primary host? Student, it is the host keeps the adult stage. Okay, if you observe life history of the one animal, there is a with different stages, embryonic stage and larval stage and adult stage, like that. In this is the host keeps the adult stage of the parasite and keep the sexually mature stage of the parasite. Next, students, it is also termed with parasite undergoes sexual reproduction. In this type of the host, parasite undergoes the sexual reproduction in its life cycle. Student, there is a life cycle of the parasite, life history of the parasite. If you observe, that is with two types of the cycles. One is the asexual life cycle, another one is sexual life cycle. Okay, sexual life history, adult goes to the sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In this type of the primary host, parasite undergoes sexual reproduction. Okay student, and primary host, it is also called definitive host. Okay, next, which one is the example for primary host? Man is the primary host for Wuchereria bancrofti. Wuchereria bancrofti, it is the digenetic parasite, complete its life cycle in two hosts. Student, it is a very important, it is the topic. Wuchereria bancrofti is the digenetic parasite, complete its life cycle in two hosts. Primary host is man, secondary host is female culex. Man is the primary host for Wuchereria bancrofti. It is the nematode parasite, roundworm. Okay, causes lymphatic filariasis in man. Next, female Anopheles, it is the primary host for Plasmodium. Plasmodium vivax enters into the body of the female Anopheles and complete its sexual period, sexual life cycle. Okay, next, second one is secondary host. What about the secondary host? That is the host keeps harbors the larval stage of the parasite, immature stage of the parasite, or asexual stages of the parasite. Okay student, and it is also defined with parasite undergoes sexual reproduction. In this host body, parasite undergoes asexual reproduction. That is, the host is called secondary host. Secondary host is also called intermediate host. Primary host is also called definitive host. Secondary host is also called intermediate host. Student, example for secondary host. Female culex is the secondary host for Wuchereria bancrofti. Student, Wuchereria bancrofti, the stages of the Wuchereria bancrofti enters into body of female culex mosquito and complete its asexual reproduction. Next, student, another one of the example, man for Plasmodium. Plasmodium vivax enters into the man and complete its asexual life history, asexual reproduction. So man is the secondary host or intermediate host for Plasmodium vivax. Next, another one, third one, that is the reservoir host. Student, it is the reservoir host who keeps the infective stages of the parasite. Keeps the infective stages of parasite in its body. Okay, which one act as a reservoir host when human host is not available? Okay, student, for example, one of the parasite, which one has a host, human being. Okay, in this, that is the parasite ready to enter into the body of the human beings, but human body is not available at that time. Okay, next, temporarily at that time the parasite goes to the another one of the animal's body and stores that type in the body of that animal. Student, keeps the infective stages of parasite in its body when human host is not available. Okay, and parasite in that type of the host body. Parasite not goes to the any amount of the development and not causes any amount of the diseases in that type of the host. When after human host is available and leaves the reservoir host and parasite enters into the body of man. Okay, parasite neither undergoes development and nor causes any amount of the diseases. Which one is the example for reservoir host? Student, monkey for Plasmodium. Monkey is the reservoir host. Monkey is the reservoir host for Plasmodium vivax. Okay, and the African antelope, also called African antelope. It is the reservoir host for Trypanosoma gombiense. Okay, student, Trypanosoma gombiense. It is the one of the parasite. And student, African antelope, it is the reservoir host for Trypanosoma gombiense. Students, vector. Vector, it is the animal. Normally, it is an insect. Organism, it is the animal organism. Normally, insect is act as a vector. Transfer infective stages of parasite. Student, this is the animal which transfers the infective stages of the parasite. Okay, from one host to the another host. For example, one of the parasite complete its life cycle in two hosts. Okay, one is the primary host, another one is the secondary host. Okay, infective stages of the parasite goes to one host to the another host by the help of the one insect, one animal or organism, that is called as vector. Organism, insect transfers the infective stages of parasite from one host to the other. Next, vector, it is also divides into two types. One is mechanical vector. What about the mechanical vector? It is the vector transfers the infective stages of the parasite and but no part of parasitic development takes place. Student, it is the vector. Mechanical vector is the vector that transfers the infective stages from one host to the another, one animal to the another animal. Okay, and but this is the parasite at the time of the transferring by the vector, it not goes to the any type of the development. Okay, that is called mechanical vector. Houseflies and cockroaches, These are both are the animals belongs from the phylum Arthropoda. Okay. Next class Insecta. Student, in case of Entamoeba histolytica is the histozoic parasite. Okay, Entamoeba histolytica, it is the monogenetic parasite. The infective stages, the stages of the Entamoeba histolytica is transfer from one body to the one man to the another man by the help of the vectors, by the help of the mechanical vectors such as houseflies and cockroaches. Next student, and the biological vector. Biological vector parasite undergoes to a part of development before it gets transferred to another host. Student, before it entered into the another host, parasite goes to some amount of the development in body of the vector, which one transfers the infective stages of the parasite. That is called biological vector. Parasite undergoes a part of development before it gets transferred to another host. For example, female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito is the biological vector in case of Plasmodium vivax. Okay. Next, female Culex mosquito. It is the biological vector in case of the Wuchereria.